In this video, we are gonna learn how to install Java in any Windows operating system. Let's get started. So first thing that we have to do, open Start menu and type cmd for command prompt. Open it and type JAVA, that is Java hyphen version, and click enter. If you see message like this is not recognized as a internal or external command, that means Java is not installed. The next thing that we have to do is open your Chrome browser and type download Java JDK to install Java. After searching it, click on first link, which is from Oracle. Scroll down and check whether you are downloading the latest version of Java. For this video it is Java 16. Click on JDK download. Now scroll down and search for Windows 64-bit installer, as we can see here. Now click on download. Accept the terms and conditions and click on download again. Now your download will be started. Now after downloading it, now locate the file where you have downloaded Java 64-bit installer. Now open your installer, click on yes. Now click on next. Here you can see the path where Java is gonna install, but leave it as it is. Click on next and it will start the installation process. If you are enjoying this video, please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting content. Now the installation has been finished. Click on close. Here you can see Java Development 64-bit kit successfully installed. Now go to your this PC, go inside locally C, click on program files. Here you can see Java, open it. Now go inside JDK 16 and go inside bin. This is the file path that we need to set environmental variables. Here you can see all the Java related files like Java compiler, Java interpreter, and all the files. Now copy the path of this bin folder. Now minimize the window. Right click on this PC, go to the properties. Now click on advanced system setting. Now go in environment variable. Now here you can see all the paths. Click on path, click on edit, and here you have to paste the path that we have copied of bin folder. Now click on OK. Now we have to set one more variable, which is Java underscore home variable. Click on new, type JAVA underscore HOME, which is Java underscore home, all in capitals. Now we need path of JDK folder. Now go back to the bin folder, press back. You need this folder, which is nothing but JDK 16. Copy the path of this folder, go back and type the path which we have just copied. Now click on OK. Now if you are using IDEs like Eclipse or Android Studio, you need to set one more path for that. Right click on this PC, go to the properties, go to the advanced system settings. Now environment variables. Here we have to add one more variable. Now go to the start menu. Now click this PC, go inside this PC, click on locally C, program files, and Java. Go inside JDK 16. Now we have to copy the file path of JDK. Copy it. Now go back. Now we have to create new variable just like Java underscore home that we have created already. Click on new, type JAVA underscore HOME, that is Java underscore home, all in capitals. Now We have to paste the path that we have copied. Now click on OK. Now again we have to click OK. Now the last step is to check whether the Java is completely installed or not. For that, open your command prompt and type JAVA, that is Java hyphen version. Now click enter. Here you can see Java version 16, that means Java is completely installed. You can also check Java C hyphen version to check whether Java compiler is installed or not. We have successfully installed Java on our Windows operating system. If this video really helped you out, please like and subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.